kabila ka, sa kabila. Kabila ka.
Now, here, Landy, what happened first? They are looking.
Nain lang sila eh.
Nasa man ka?
Distractable na tayo dali.
Guys.
So what they can see inside the kitchen.
Nain niya.
They see
Alam mo lang
Norman inside the
Guys. Wait lang guys
What are the
kasi.
things inside? What about the next one? What happened here? Living room. What are the things inside the living room? Say the big clock and the sofa are in the living room. Then, what room is this? Bathroom. What are the things that we can see inside the bathroom? Now, what about your bathroom, Andy? What are the things that you can see inside your bathroom? I can see. Inside your bathroom, Andy, what are the things that you can find inside your bathroom? Is there a bin inside your bathroom? What about this one? What room is this? Bedroom. Now what you can see inside the bedroom? Bed. Now where did you find your bed? Now can you drag Landy?
Ganyan ako.
Alright. Now, Landy, we are going to practice retelling the story, okay? Now, who are the characters in the story? Who are they? They are they are Zara and Ted. Now, where are they? They are at they are at the house now. Now, what happened first? Can you read? Finally, one more time. Finally, now Monday, can you tell me what room is it if I will watch TV? In the living room. What if I want to eat my food? What room should I go? Kitchen or the dining? Yes. The dining room is where we can eat our food. We can find tables, chairs. Okay. What about if I will cook my favorite meal? So where would I go? Kitchen. What if I want to sleep? Because I'm so sleepy. Bed. Now, Lani, what is your favorite room in the house once again? Why? Do you like your bed? Yes, I do. Alright. Do you have a garden in your house? Do you have a garden? But do you have a playground? No, we don't. Now, Lucky, we are going to try to tell the story on your own words, okay? Now, can you tell me what are the things that you can see inside this room? Can you try what is this, Andy? That's up. Can you read this one first and look in that? Norman isn't. Can you click the next? Who isn't under the sofa? Who isn't? Who is not under the sofa? That is Norman isn't. Now, Landy, can you tell me what is the bean for? What is that used for? What's the use of the bean? The bean is for Okay, the pin is for track. Okay? Now, can you pick the last one, please? Finally. So where did they find Norman? They found Norman
Kay katulad lang yung diha nga dili, asawa sa ilang lulo. Wala na yung nadagang sila diha, gamay
on
na.
Nonande, you are very good at retelling. That is very good. That is absolutely.
1% na po.
For that, I will give you this. I will give,
Wala na si Kuya guys.
I will give you this dear child.
Kasi nagkatanaw na lang siya, oh. Nagkataon po siya at saka.
Sam. You finish eating. Now, these are the things that you have learned.